All right, here it says, Karen says that 2.50 is greater than 2.5 because 50 is greater than 5. Is she correct? 2.50 is greater than 2.5. All right, and I was just writing your guys' final exam last night, and this question is on here, actually, not the same exact one, but the same trick. And she says that this is correct because this number is greater than that number. What do you guys think? Is she correct?
Is not correct.
It's not correct, yes. And why is 2.50 equal to 2.5? Okay, and why? The question is why? Okay. Why is this equal? What do you guys think? Why is 2.50 equal to 2.5? Tell me a reason or what's going on here.
Zero.
Yeah,
Zero.
what about the zero? Yeah, what about this zero? What could we say?
There's no value in the zero.
That's pretty much perfect. There is no value. Or you could say the zero has no value. And I think that would be good enough for a reason. And that will do it, I think, for this page. So we say the zero has no value. You could explain it further if you want, like if the zero is after the tenths and there's nothing after the zero, it has no value. The reason why we might say 2.50, okay? So if I'm subtracting here, if I'm taking a subtracting decimals, okay, let's say I have 1.72, okay? And how would I subtract this number? How would I subtract this number, guys? What do I need to do first?
Add zero.
Yeah, I need to add a zero, right? Yeah, I need to add this zero.
And then
and then I need to borrow, right? So this will go to 10, okay? And what does this become? This 5 becomes a what? And it looks like I need to go all the way down to here. So this will be 14, right? And this is 1, okay? And I think we can subtract now. So what is that? You don't have to do this, by the way. This is just me telling you why we need to put that 0 there at the end, okay? So it should be 7, and that should be what? Did we do this correctly? 0, yeah. All right, so then let's talk about the first way to say this number is what? And the second way is what? First way is how?
0.78.
0.78. Okay, that's the first way we say this number. And the second way we say this number, can anyone list it out there or say it all the way?
0.78.
Oh, my sister's calling me. All right, 0.78. My sister is just waking, or I guess she's going to sleep in America. So she's giving me a call before bedtime. 0.78. All right, I think you said that perfectly. So these are just some review things that we need to make sure we talk about. But I think we could play another Kahoot, don't you guys think? Yes?
Sure.
I think so. Yeah, I think we could. We have 8 minutes. We'd finished our page, the one at least that I wanted to get through. So that brings us, this stuff is all extra, guys. This you don't need to include. I just wanted to go over that. All right, so really for this one, you could say something like this. You could say 2.50 equals 2.5, and the 0 has no value. Something like that would be okay. And let's say I subtract this. So let's say I take 2.5 minus, okay, this B6 here. What am I going to get? What's my answer going to be?
I think it's 0.
Yeah, it's going to be 0.0.
Wow.